It's always a special opportunity when I get to practice outside in the natural world. From my perspective, spiritual practice is about connecting with nature. The first thing I always do when I begin training outside is to consciously open the senses, and then the exploration just unfolds from there. When we're out on the land, it's much easier to access wholeness and refine the divine. Whether it's yoga or kung fu or just sitting in meditation, for me, practice is a ritual which draws mystery closer and takes us beyond our human form.